What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video and a new series with your boy Rish and my girl
Allie.
Right now we are pulling up to Sprouts because we are doing Instacart and the TSX, trying to get some more doll hairs for oh damn shit. Now I need even more doll hairs for that suspension work. Yes, we're just trying to accumulate more money for our party favors, for more savings, more extra money, more car funds, whatever. Hustle and hustle more. We're trying to do different things. Obviously we have our 9-to-5s, but with the economy nowadays, you guys all know it's kind of tough. I have stuff that I need. I don't need to buy more mods, but it's like part of the automotive stuff for content and stuff. But there's a lot of shit going on. There's a lot of bills, a lot of things to buy, a lot of things that keep happening, so savings just run up and you just keep restarting. That's that. This is what it is right now. We're just trying to get into another hustle, make some more extra money, and we do have books that is like a saving plan thing. We'll show you guys later. It might be cool to try to start doing. We'll see. Let's get this order going. That's $20.
Yeah, let's show them.
So as you guys see, we got a Sprouts order. Couple items for Nikki right here. 7 items, 10 units. You know, a little bit of drive, 20 bucks. Let's get it.
Let's get it, guys.
This is in the spur of a moment. We didn't even eat yet. We're supposed to go get food. Dude, I don't know, ADHD brains or something. We're all over the place. Yeah, so let's just get this done.
Lazy girls.
Apples, some organic, you know, getting them organic.
3 yellow mangoes. Go.
Mango. Alrighty, guys. First order done with. She added like 3 more items and added a little bit bigger tip, so why not?
Unit 7.
Unit 7. Okay. Here's the TSX, guys.
There we are. The grocery getter. Woohoo!
First order dropped off. That's squared away. Let's see if anything else now pops up good. Nice areas over here. I'll show you all now. Dope, like townhouses, also like apartment kind of styles. Basically dropped it off at one of those. It's nice and chill, easy. It's just hot out here. Not using AC because we gotta conserve all that gas, you know, save all that moolah. Like, it's not that bad, man. We've dealt with worse. Alrighty, y'all. Here we have order number 2. 1 second, y'all. Open up that trunk. Alright, so we literally got some ground meat, milk, and bread. So that's like a quick, like $9 some change. I'm gonna go for a quick 10-minute ride. Or cookies. So 9-minute ride, make quick $9 hairs. And it literally took 2 minutes inside Publix to get 3 items. So
Why not why? Of like double orders that just kind of doesn't make any sense, or they're just doing a little too much. We'll show you guys all the orders and see what we like from the pickings. So come back to you guys when we get to the next update. Yeah, Poppy.
Grocery getter.
do this order real quick.
Some light.
Couple items.
Let's do it.
All right, y'all. We are back. Did the quick shopping.
And it's only 1 mile away.
Yeah, I brought you guys in my pocket, but you know, I went ADHD mode. I was like, I gotta go, gotta get it done, and forgot you guys were in my pocket. So, being the first video and us never recording us doing this, meanwhile, we do have over 200 orders done with Instacart itself.
That's one account, too,
and then
yours.
Yeah, then my account also has some stuff, and then I also did door dashing. So, there's like a whole combination of stuff
that we did when we first moved over here. Gotta do what you gotta do.
Because we had a hustle, man. Didn't have a job here in Florida. We had to feed ourselves. We had to do things. GoPro's getting real hot. I've had to let it calm down. Doing some things. Look at all that, y'all. Twix and a Gatorade now.
Zero. 2 minutes from the house.
Yeah. Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up!
Take it right onto the public feed.
That works out. We're literally right here, y'all. It popped up for this Publix that's right on this street. 15 units, almost 15 bucks. And dude, that's gonna take 15 minutes. Quick monies. There's obviously more side hustles, different ways to make more money for your time, but this is just one of many that you can make immediate money for things that you might do anyway, like drive around or just enjoy the day driving your car, or shopping if you like shopping. And up the good old Publix. Security, goddamn, they got security. That's tough. Ow. Let me like try to like not forget about you guys.
Yeah,
so.
in fact, this is the items. Oh, they got a doggy.
And let's go. Let's get it. All right, y'all. Just got done grabbing everything. Now it's gonna be time to check out, skedaddle, and see if anything else pops up hot. See.
And we're 3 minutes away.
Bon voyage. Popped out a second. Y'all flop out the window.
17 south. 600 feet here. That's it.
Just like that.
Be back
tomorrow.
Day 2, I guess, Monday.
after work hours.
Yeah, after work hours. We're gonna make it like one full day because we only started like half the day into it, afternoon Sunday, and then took a break, and then we continued again. So we'll do a couple now, and it'll be one full day of Instacarting in the TSX.
We're going to Sprouts again.
Oh my god, did I do that last time?
Then we hit that bump again.
We got out of work, went to the gym. Now we're doing this right away so we can finish off this video for you guys and make a couple extra doll hairs. I brought 2 items. What would that be here? What is that? Right there. Quick 7 doll hairs. Check out, check out, check out!
13:38.
She's just going crazy. She's like, yeah, y'all. That's the first order. Took a little bit longer because I took a wrong exit and we had to kind of detour a little bit around, but
no, it said 7:29 was the arrival and it's only 7:23, so
still early. So we're here just pick up 1 item. All right, y'all. I don't even want to expose what the hell I got, really. some like sits bath, some hemorrhoid toilet cover thing. I don't know. One item, take a quick little drive. Nothing to it but to do it. Y'all feel me? Nice sunset. Little Q50. Little hard body action. So we're making a quick pit stop. A place we've been meaning to check out. Let me know what you guys think about this new series. Are you enjoying it? Is it entertaining? Are you curious if you can sustain off Instacart? You know, doing Instacart day to day as like a 9 to 5 or as a side hustle, is it worth it? If you enjoy this series, let me know. We do want to do it more. This is something we're going to continue on doing just so we can make a little extra bucks here and there on the side, on top of, you know, other things that I want to get into, like flipping, reselling stuff, obviously, getting the merch going. There's multiple things we can do. Just kind of have to get out our own ways, learn, research, and kind of get back into it. So we're in Publix. This is in shop though. A couple bucks, couple items. All right, y'all, we just got done with that. So as we sat down in the car, we got a like $12-something order one shop right here out of the Publix we just left. Go take that drive real quick and probably be the last one then. Grab some potatoes, y'all. Oh man. For this last order, I'm gonna take a quick cruise. My gas light is on, but this one's like $12 and like 15 cents or some shit. Ghost Rider. So strong. All right, last order, guys. Get this drive over with. We gotta skedaddle home so we could probably take our girls out. What is going on, everybody? Quick outro, wrap up this Instacart video, show you guys what we ended off with for the day and how much we made, how many stops we did.
So it shows you the time, it shows you how many batches.
Gives you all the data, all the analytics. So we're gonna go over them real quick and see if it's kind of worth it or not, you know?
I mean, anything's worth it if you make a little extra.
In this economy, any little extra money is worth it for sure. Especially instant money that you could get same day kind of thing.
Exactly. For 2 hours, 44 minutes, and 15 seconds, 5 batches, we made $61. $25 in tips, and then $36 in batch earnings. 2 hours, 10 minutes, and 27 seconds with 4 batches, we made $30. And those were very easy ones too, very light.
Yeah, so depending for how long you do it, how many batches, what batches you take, the pricing is going to vary. Dividing that, we're basically making $20.50 an hour kind of thing.
Not bad. The minimum wage is $15
Yeah,
an
which
hour.
Obviously account for gas, you know, wear and tear on your car. We took breaks, we paused, we did a second day so we could make it into like a full day kind of thing, which even that it wasn't, because we did 4 hours and 45 minutes all together.
You work an 8-hour to 9-hour shift. Imagine that.
Think about that. So yeah, you'd be at like $200 for the day.
Yeah, I mean, that's not bad.
So like an 8-hour shift, you'd be almost at like, you know, $200 depending on all your orders. But then some chick at the end took a $3 tip.
Yeah.
So that's the unfortunate part. They have like 2 hours to take away your tip. Before they had longer, which sucked, which made us kind of rage quit before. We're back.
We have real jobs regardless,
Yeah.
but I mean, we're doing this after we clock out on our normal job, so that's still pretty good.
So $90 extra for 4 hours, almost 5-ish hours of quick work of just driving around and quick shopping.
Imagine just 8 hours consistent
so
work.
you're just,
I mean, one break.
You're making $20 an hour easy, you know, whatever.
Yeah.
That's that, guys. If you like this new series, this new type of video, let us know down in the comments. We're gonna keep doing it because we want to make extra dollar hairs when we can,
Rent's
when we feel like it. You know, things keep getting more expensive. This economy sucks ass.
Yeah.
I'm sure you all could agree. We're all kind of struggling in our own ways. Look at the sky. Look at it. Kind of see little hints of pink, purple, violet.
Would you try Instacart?
Would you? Would you do it? Do you think it's worth it? If you have like a Prius or something that's like really, good gas mileage. Like,
which we did
insanely.
in the beginning, yeah.
Yeah, when we were doing it, we did have a Prius, so it was like even better with gas.
You can also combine different things. You can do DoorDash, Uber Eats,
Yeah.
plus Instacart. I mean, you can make some money.
We'll eventually maybe get around to that, but right now we're just sticking with Instacart.
So stay tuned.
Maybe we'll do some more DoorDash again too, like I did in the past. Let me know down in the comments. Peace out.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.